Today in this video, I'm going to talk about types of research, basic research, applied research, and action research. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss the important concept of each research type, as well as certain examples that you can understand properly. So, and this video is very important for paper 1, UGC NET, as well as SET exam, and for research method topic that is there in the English literature syllabus, unit number 10. So in general, this video will be very helpful for you. So let's move ahead, friends. First of all, we have basic research. What is basic research? Basic research, as its name is suggesting us, fundamental research or pure research. Okay, two more names are there for basic research, fundamental research and a pure kind of research. These are two names of basic research. So synonyms we can say. And in the next sentence, we can see that it is conducted to discover something new in order to enrich human knowledge. So when we want to enrich our knowledge, then we do this type of research. Okay, discovering something or investigating something new in order to enrich our knowledge, to enhance the knowledge that we have. Okay, then it helps in developing theories by investigating the principles in broad way. So it is particularly, ultimately, it is developing the theories, the principles by investigating something. Okay, then it discovers a new theory, as well as it also develops the existing theory. So sometimes it is also discovering a new kind of theory or principle it is going to establish, and sometimes it is also developing the existing theory, the theory which is already existing, the principle. Okay, in that particular principle or theory, it is doing its investigation, its discovery. That's why it is basic research, fundamental research. Then, for example, we take any scientific discovery as an example of basic research, and investigating into how children acquire new language or acquire new curriculum or acquire new spellings, or so many things are there. So investigating in that area, that is called basic research. Okay, so scientific discovery, that is discovering a new theory or principle in science. And when we investigate in the knowledge of children, okay, when we want to enhance their knowledge, or when we want to enhance the knowledge of teachers regarding the acquisition of new language on student side, there at that time also this is called basic research. Then moving ahead, second one is their applied research. Friends, we need to understand the concept, first of all, the IMP concept, because sometimes the theoretical knowledge, the conceptual understanding help us a lot in the exam, because detailed questions are asked in paper 1 as well as in paper 2. So when we see the concept of applied research, it is a broad kind of research, a broad type of research that is undertaken on the basis of basic research. Okay, when the principles are set by the basic research or the fundamental research, a new kind of research is conducted on the basis of those principles or those theories established by the pure research or fundamental research. Okay, and second line is there, it applies the set theories and principles in a new scientific way. It is going to apply the theories, the established theories, okay, established by basic research, and applied research is going to apply those theories, going to utilize or going to use those theories, putting into practice, we can say. Okay, implementing, the role of implementation here comes in this applied research. So set theories and principles are applied in a new scientific way, that is called applied research. Then it is done to test the validity of any theory or knowledge, to examine the empirical content and assumptions, to provide convincing evidence for using any theory or principle. So these are the ways through which it is going to be done by the researcher. Okay, testing the validity of new theory or any theory or knowledge, the validity, the reliability when we test. So at that time, applied research is conducted. Then moving ahead, it helps in generalization of any theory or principles. So when we are going to generalize any theory or principle in real life situations, in real life classroom conditions, at that time, this kind of research is going to be very, very helpful to the teacher as well as to the authority. Examples are there: research for improving workplace commitment, that is called applied research. Then research for improving educational policies, that is also called applied research, because we are going to apply the theories of educational policies, okay, established by different commissions in the nation. And research for curriculum development, then building students' interest. So all these are the examples of applied research, putting the theories into practice. That is the important concept that we need to understand. Examples may vary, friends. Examples may vary. There may be so many examples, but sometimes we are confusing in example. So we need to remember the concept. What does it mean? So it means putting the theories into practice, application of theories and principles in a new scientific way, that is called applied research. Then the last one, action research. When we talk about action research, so it is a little different from applied research in a way that it is a small scale research work done for a short period of time. Okay, so very important concept it has, that it means action research is a small scale research work. It is also called applied research, but a very small scale applied research, because it is also using those theories and principles established by basic research, but on a very small scale. Okay, for a month, for a week, for a year, not more than a year. Okay, because it is called classroom action research. In classrooms, in school campus, this kind of research is undertaken by the teacher. In the second line, you can see that it deals with direct action. A kind of direct action is there. Directly, the teacher is going to act something in the classroom, in the campus of school, in order to obtain workable solutions of his problems. Okay, remained in the classroom, remained in the school. So direct action is there from teacher's side on the problem. Then it is conducted to find solutions of educational, psychological problems faced by students in classrooms. So many educational problems are there. Okay, psychological problems are there. Family issues are there. So such problems are going to create obstacles in the learning process on student side. So at that time, a teacher needs to identify such problems, and a teacher needs to solve such problems by a research activity on his side. Then teachers uses techniques like interview, observation, survey method, etc. to undertake this small scale research activity. So here different techniques are used by the teacher. Interview technique, asking questions, getting the information, collecting the data, collecting the information from anybody. Then observation, by looking someone, by observing him. Okay, constant observation, and noting down some of the important points in the copy. Then survey method. Survey method itself is a method, and in this method many techniques are used. For example, questionnaire. A teacher is making a questionnaire. A questionnaire means a kind of list of questions. Different types of questions are there. Sometimes topic wise questions are there, on the basis of which the survey is done by the teacher. And here also you can see the other techniques are shown there. Audio video recording is there, taking field notes is there, taking photos. Sometimes during observation you need to take some photos, you have to click some photos, okay, for analysis. Okay, then questionnaire, etc. These are the different techniques a teacher is using in this kind of research. Then types, which are the types of action research. So three important and major types are there: individual research, collaborative research, and school-wide research. In individual research, a teacher is himself doing the research without any collaboration from outside. Okay, and no one is there to help him, or he's not getting the help from outside. He's doing individually. Then collaborative work includes two or more than two teachers. Then school-wide research, a school itself is doing research activity. Then when we see the examples, research on the reading problems of students or writing problems of students, okay, and individual class projects, etc. These are called action research. Friends, if you feel any kind of query or confusion, you can comment in the comment box, and also you can search on Google for more examples. But in this video, my focus was that I wanted to make you understand the concept with the help of 2 or 3 examples. So I hope that you understood it well. And next video will be on steps of research, and it will be very interactive and interesting video for you, friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you really like the videos, because many more videos are going to be uploaded in upcoming days. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, as well as watching the videos which are already posted in the past. Okay, you can search on in my channel. So thank you so much for this wonderful session. We'll meet very soon, friends. Thank you so much.